and there.
Jokanyo marito nyithindo manigi tuo mar ng'ol mar obwongo koro kwayo piny owacho mondo oketgi e bwo okumba mar thieth mar SHA, ahinya to ni mondo one kaka nyithindogo nyalo yudo thieth nono maonge chudo. Ka giwuoyo e wi kony ma igolo ne nyithindogo manigi tuono, gikwayo ni jokanyo mondo magolo chiwo ne nyithindogo mondo obed ka golo gigo mani kare ma ok med chandruok ne nyithindogo. Magi ne giwacho nyasi mar hingo odiechieng' mar ng'ol mar obwongo e laro mar kar thieth ma Ojola e kaunti ma Kisumu.
So taking the child to occupational therapy was expensive because I used to do it at a private hospital, and every session I was charged 1,000 shillings. So that one is 2,000 shillings in a week. So just a normal person cannot manage to get that. So I think it should just be free.
So now a policy is coming out that all these devices, as they are issued, they must be ascertained medically, and therefore every other person that will receive that assistive device must undergo medical assessment and given a device that is tailor-made for him or her alone.
So we, as a council, we're still in talks with SHA to see how we can have PWDs either benefiting from SHA services. But at the moment, to be honest, it's very, very expensive, and that's why you find that many people are hiding their children. They don't want the children to be out because of the level or the condition those kids are in. Yes. So currently, it's a gap, but we're talking with SHA, and very soon I think something will come out of it.